Hi and welcome to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to show you a preview of CopySpace.ai. Yes, I say preview because this tool is not released at the moment. It will be in a couple of days, I suppose on the 1st of June. Everything started with ClosersCopy, and if you watch my first videos on this channel, you can see I reviewed ClosersCopy. It was one of the first famous AI writing tools. ClosersCopy has always been an unlimited AI writing tool with a lifetime deal, so many people took advantage of it. But ClosersCopy is built with its own AI models, and Nico, the owner of ClosersCopy, never implemented OpenAI models into this tool because it was built with old architecture. This is why now an evolution of ClosersCopy is coming. It's called CopySpace AI. I will show you something in a moment, but I want to talk about your opportunity because maybe you are already a ClosersCopy user. In this case, if you have a lifetime deal with ClosersCopy, you will have for free a copy of CopySpace. And if you are not a ClosersCopy user, you can become a ClosersCopy user before June 1st, 2023, and you will be gifted with a copy of CopySpace, absolutely for free. CopySpace is a little bit different because you need to use your OpenAI API keys in order to use it, but you will have the tool, the platform for free. And as you can see here, this is a free bonus. It will be 100% worth it until the 1st of June. After that date, both apps will be offered individually, but as you can see here, I'm gifting a lifetime license of CopySpace to everyone who owns a lifetime license of ClosersCopy. So what you can do, you can click on the link you find in the description, you will reach the ClosersCopy site, you can purchase a lifetime deal, one of these plans. This is the solo plan, it's for the lifetime and it's unlimited. As you can see, you only have one seat with this solo plan, or if you need more seats, you can purchase one of these other plans. Anyway, by purchasing ClosersCopy, you will also have a copy of CopySpace for free with a lifetime deal. And obviously ClosersCopy will still be alive, so you will be able to use it anyway with its AI model, so you will have two lifetime deal apps for the price of one. But let's go inside of CopySpace. I want to show you really quickly how this works, because in my opinion is quite good. The platform is fast, it's working really well, it's still in beta obviously. Let's say I want to generate a new document, so I click here on new document, let's click on new. This is the name of my document, how to cook pizza. I click on create and open this document, and this is the new editor. Is really similar to ClosersCopy, but now you have many more options. You have a dark theme, a light theme, you have all your settings here. You will need to connect your API keys from OpenAI, so you can use this platform for free if you purchase ClosersCopy, but then you will pay directly OpenAI for the words you use and you consume month after month with your credit card, obviously. I just want to show you a preview of this platform. It's quite complete. You have an expand tool here. If you want to expand some text, you have a rewrite tool to rewrite any kind of content. You have a magic command tool, so you can write your commands and generate content. And you have this menu with many tools. You have, for example, a chat, you have different tools, you have a compose, you have automation, autowriter, optimize, art space, insights, and plagiarism. For the plagiarism section, I want to start from here because you need an account with Copyscape. You can connect it and do your plagiarism checkings directly from here. You have ArtSpace is another tool by the same owner of ClosersCopy and CopySpace. ArtSpace will be integrated in Q3 this year. I don't know if you will be able to use it directly here or if you need a license for ArtSpace in order to use it. I think so, but anyway, even ClosersCopy can generate images with artificial intelligence. Then this automation tool, again, it will be launched in Q3. With automation tool, you will be able to generate your own workflows, your own templates to generate any kind of content you want with your instructions. I want to show you quickly this chat tool. This is very similar to ChatGPT. In this case, it's using GPT 3.5 Turbo. So, for example, write me some title ideas for a blog post about how to cook pizza. You click on chat with me and you will have your reply exactly the same you can do in ChatGPT. Okay, the difference is here you are using your own OpenAI API, obviously. And you can interact with this chat. For example, give me other 3 ideas. Perfect, I have my new 3 ideas, and this is the chat tool. Then you have this compose tool. Compose lets you interact with this document, so you can compose anything you like. You can insert background information, you can insert keywords to include in your text. You can choose the tone of voice, friendly, unique, relaxed, professional, bold, and so on. You can even choose your AI model. You can use 3.5 DaVinci, you can use 3.5 Turbo, it's the cheapest one, and if you have access to GPT-4 APIs, you can also use GPT-4. You can obviously choose your language, you have many languages here, you can choose the length of your output and the number of outputs. Then you have the tools section. These are all the tools you can use. These are called templates in some other apps. You can, for example, generate an AIDA script. Even here you can compile all these fields and choose your tone of voice, your AI model. You can also supercharge the output, and this is a black box algorithm inside CopySpace that enhances your output. I want to show you how it works. Let's find another tool, for example, let's say blog post introduction. How to cook pizza is my title. My audience is pizza lovers. I want a friendly tone of voice. I want to use, let's say, GPT 3.5, let's say GPT-4, so we can try this one. English is the language. I just want one output. I will not use the supercharge in this case, so we can try like this to generate an output. Perfect, this is my blog introduction with GPT-4. If I want to insert this blog introduction in my document, I can just click on this plus button. And now I want to show you the difference if I activate this supercharge flag. So the model is supercharged. Again, this is a black box option. I don't know exactly what it does, but the output will be a little different. Okay, this is my latest output. I want to copy it here. Now, if you want, you can stop the video and read by yourself how these two are different. The second one is the supercharged model. I think behind the scenes Nico has tweaked a little bit these prompts in order to have a more natural output, but judge by yourself. And if you want, you can even build your own tools by clicking on this new button here. You need to know what you are doing, you have even some instructions, you can build your own tools, and then you can share them with the community. These, for example, are some of the shared tools, so you have even a lot of community-based prompts and tools. Let's just open one step-by-step guides. As you can see, you can insert your subject and you will have a step-by-step guide. And even here you can choose whatever you want, the tone of voice, the model, and so on. This is for the tools section. I want to show you this autowriter tool. This is one of the favorite of the beta testers for this new CopySpace app, because here you can write an entire article with just a few clicks. So if I click here, I can scan headlines. If I have some headlines here in my document, for example, I can generate an article by using these headlines, or I can build an outline. So by clicking here, as you can see, I can insert this outline by myself. The H1 is how to cook a pizza. I can choose my language. I can choose how many H2s I want. Just for this example, I will say 2, and I want one H3. I can click on Build Outline. Perfect, I have my outline scheme here now. Obviously, I just choose 2 H2s, so this will not be a perfect article, but I just want to show you how it works. I also have one H3 inside my H2s. You can obviously set up details, so insert your background information, your keywords, for every single H2 if you want. You can choose the tone of voice, the writing style, academic, casual, descriptive, narrative, persuasive, and so on. Let's say casual in this case. I can choose GPT 3.5 Turbo. Here you don't have GPT-4 at the moment because it will consume a lot of credits and a little bit of more money. You can choose the length for your paragraphs. Let's say I want medium ones. The language is English. You can choose to title case headlines, and then you just need to click on this Write for Me, and CopySpace will start to generate an entire article for you. This will be again really short because I just choose 2 H2s, but I want to show you how it works. I will speed up this video a little bit so I can show you this article. Okay, here is my article. It's 1093 words. In this case, again, I just used 2 H2s and one H3, and obviously you can change them if you don't like them. You can regenerate before generating this article, but now I have my entire article. It's even shorter because I already had these 2 paragraphs here, so these words includes these ones. Gather your ingredients, and you can stop the video and read by yourself. Obviously it's using, in this case, GPT 3.5 Turbo, so you may know how this AI model writes. You can obviously edit your text, you can do whatever you want. Then you have this assemble and bake the pizza, and you have a conclusion. This is how this autowriter works. It's just the beginning, and I didn't use any advanced feature here. For example, the background information or the keywords, you can insert them, and I hope Nico will also add a scraper, a web scraper, so you can insert even URLs for background information. I already gave my feedback about these. Then I can show you something more. For example, let's say you want to rewrite this sentence, this paragraph. You can select it and click on rewrite. You will find your paragraph here. You can obviously choose your model and rewrite this little paragraph. So let's say I want to rewrite it by using DaVinci. In this case, I just need to click on rewrite. And here I have my old paragraph and my new paragraph. Or maybe I want to expand it, so again I can select it and click on this expand. I will use this time GPT 3.5 Turbo. I want a long paragraph, so expand. Perfect. As you can see, expand is adding some other text to your original paragraph, and this is how it works. You also have magic commands, so if I write a command, for example, write a list of the most common ingredients for a good Italian pizza, I just need to select this text and click on this magic command. I can choose again what I want, so let's say GPT-4 in this case, and click on the magic button. Okay, and I have my list of ingredients. It's quite detailed. Pizza dough with an explanation, tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and so on. As you can see, I have 20 ingredients. Now I want to show you really quickly even this insights tool. As you can see the number of words, the number of characters, the sentences, the paragraphs, the reading time, the speaking time. You also can check for adverbs, complex, passive, hard, very hard. For example, let me get rid of these tools I have here on this browser. Okay, I got rid of my other language tools. I can check for very hard to read sentences. And as you can see now, I have this sentence is in red because it's difficult to read. Is very hard to read. Or I can choose hard to read. Again, I have some sentences hard to read. I have some passive tone sentences or passages in this case. As you can see, this is really useful because you can make your text even better. Complex, let's say if I have some complex words, okay, I have some adverbs, and as you can see, you can check your text and make it better in readability with these little tools here, and you have a score. 8th grade in this case. I need to make it easier to read. The last tool I want to show you is this Optimize section, because here you can search on Google. My query is how to cook a pizza, United States, and I can audit the first ranking pages, and I want to choose the first 3, let's say, audit 3 pages, and I will have some suggestions from the SERP. Perfect. As you can see, I have a score, I have some LSI keywords or words I can insert in my text, I have some clusters. And you can use this tool, this Optimize tool, even before writing your article, so you can know exactly what words you need to insert in your text, and use the field I showed you before to insert your keywords, if you are using autowriter, for example. Now I just choose 3 articles, so I don't have many words here, but as you can see, this is similar to Surfer SEO or phrase in this specific use case. And this is it. This is how CopySpace will work. It's in the beta stage. I think many more features will be added into this tool because now it's future-proof, using OpenAI AI models. And obviously, again, you need to connect your OpenAI API keys, so you will pay directly OpenAI based on how many words you will write in 1 month. But anyway, you will pay maybe way less than you would pay with any other tool. If you want a free copy of CopySpace, you need to purchase a lifetime deal for ClosersCopy. Again, click on the link in the description. You can choose between one of these plans, And with this you will have a copy of ClosersCopy. This is not dying, ClosersCopy will remain active, but using its own AI models, and if you want to use OpenAI models, you will also have a lifetime deal for this new platform, CopySpace. In my opinion, it's working good. There is still some little bugs to fix, but as you can see, the platform is easy to use. You have all the tools here, you have many tools, all you need to write good content with an AI writing tool. So this is your opportunity to have a CopySpace AI license for the lifetime by purchasing a lifetime deal with ClosersCopy. Click on the link in the description, and remember, you need to do it before June 1st, 2023. After the 1st of June, these both apps will be offered individually. So this is your chance if you want. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And obviously, I'll see you soon in another video here on Digital Toolcase.